Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with console hackers. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you on how to basically involve the party chat in your game audio if you're recording on a capture card or the right now I'm using the AVAR GL310 right now, and basically I'm just going to show you guys on how to include your chat's audio with the with your game audio, so you can hear the people in your party speaking in the video. All right. So Jake, if you don't mind, can you just do me a favor and say something? Okay. So as you can see here, you guys didn't hear his voice, but I'm just gonna tell you a quick tip on how to make it so the capture card can actually capture him. So all you want to do is go to your settings, and then you want to go to audio output. Now you want to make sure that your HDMI stereo uncompressed is on, so your HDMI cable is transferring the sound from your party chat. So if you're using a optical audio cable, I believe it's Blitzstream out or one of these options over here. So you just want to select your cable, I would say, and then you want to head back into display and sound, and you want to go to volume, and then over here you can head to party chat output. Now you can set it to speakers only or headset and speakers. I'm gonna set mine to speakers because whenever I change it to headset and speakers, the noise that I get from the party, it's really laggy and echoey, so I just have mine to speakers, but that's up to you if you want to do speakers or headset and speakers. So I'm just going to set it to speakers right now. So if I head back to the party, hey, Jake, say something right now.
Hey, I'm here.
Okay, perfect. So as you can see here, you just heard his voice in the game, as per earlier you could not. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, and also comment on what you guys want to hear from me, from like tutorials and stuff like that. And yeah, thanks for watching with Console Hackers.